Have you ever wondered how crucial gas purification is to the industries that power our world? These processes are vital to ensure efficiency, safety, and environmental sustainability. One of the key players in this process is a substance you might remember from your high school chemistry class, caustic soda or sodium hydroxide. Caustic soda is a superstar in the world of industrial gas treatment. Its primary role is to act as a cleaning agent, effectively absorbing and neutralizing acid gases like sulfur dioxide, chlorine, and hydrogen chloride. But its abilities don't stop there. It also traps particulate matter, volatile organic compounds, and other contaminants that may be lurking in the gas stream. Now, consider the production of hydrogen gas. It's not as pure as you might think. It often contains impurities like carbon monoxide, methane, and sulfur compounds. Here's where caustic soda steps in again, removing these impurities through a series of chemical reactions. This includes the water-gas shift reaction, methanation, and absorption of sulfur compounds. Acid gases, such as hydrogen sulfide and carbon dioxide, are often present in industrial gas streams. These are corrosive and toxic, and quite frankly, not something you want hanging around. Caustic soda reacts with these acidic components to form water-soluble salts that can be easily separated from the gas stream. Then there's the issue of sulfur compounds. These pesky substances, especially hydrogen sulfide, are commonly found in natural gas, biogas, and other industrial gases. They're toxic, corrosive, and have a negative impact on the environment. But once again, caustic soda comes to the rescue, reacting with hydrogen sulfide to form sodium sulfide, which can then be further processed or safely disposed of. And if all of that wasn't enough, caustic soda also plays a critical role in removing mercury, a highly toxic element that can be found in some natural gas deposits and industrial emissions. It reacts with mercury to form stable complexes that can be easily removed from the gas stream using appropriate separation techniques. To summarize, caustic soda is a versatile and powerful tool in the process of industrial gas purification. It plays a crucial role in removing impurities and contaminants from gases, purifying hydrogen gas, removing acid gases, desulfurization, and mercury removal. So the next time you switch on a light or turn on your car, spare a thought for the remarkable role caustic soda plays in making it all possible.